BayPilot Tutorial 2 Map View. In this video, I'll show you the three main map views in BayPilot: Map, Satellite, and Navigation. We start with the standard map view. This is the basic map for everyday planning. It shows the coastline, roads, towns, harbors, and the surrounding area. When the POI switch is enabled, BayPilot displays nearby places directly on the map. You can see marinas, anchorages, buoys, fuel stations, port facilities, and many useful places on land, such as restaurants, cafes, bars, museums, and local attractions. Clicking any POI opens its detail panel. Here you can view available information, photos, contact details, opening hours, and other useful data for that place. For some places, you can also suggest corrections, add your own photos, or leave a review. This helps keep the information useful for other sailors. You can also add your own POI from the route panel using the Add POI option. Next, we switch to Satellite View. This gives you a real satellite image of the area while keeping the POI markers visible. It is useful when you want to visually inspect a marina, a harbor entrance, a bay, or nearby buildings and roads. Finally, we switch to Navigation View. This layer is designed for marine navigation. It shows nautical marks, lights, buoys, harbor objects, restricted areas, marine zones, and other navigation-related information. In the harbor and along the coast, you can see many symbols that help you understand the local navigation environment. This can include marked channels, special purpose areas, seaplane landing zones, fish farms, and areas where navigation may be limited or restricted. Together, these three views let you move from a simple planning map to satellite inspection and then to a more detailed nautical navigation layer.